rice cake machine SYP8080 S2 Titanium Coated Mould, and switch box up positioned, and stand-up cylinder for Russia. Very nice. Very nice. Wow.
분명히도 부들부들. 저건 좀 봐봐. 아, 이거 속도가 짱이야.
Oh, very nice.
근데 정상적으로
Yeah, wow, very nice. Alright. Okay. Temperature 260 and speed 4.7. Thickness 50 and depth of 4 is a 3.2 at the first second. And pressure around 150 in black color. After check or set the pressure gauge, you had better close pressure gauge to use longer. Okay, 3-cylinder valves to provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the cylinder movement. It's a standard cylinder there, and below the pressure support valve below the cylinder. So stable pressure. Motor and pump. Fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix and feeding plate. When the feeding plate is fully back, that proxy sensor red light must be on. Go forward is turn off. Otherwise, you cannot go to the next step. Turn on again. Spring and drive motor and gear head. Oil valve here, check the valve, and lift valve. Lift valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench and counterclockwise increase pressure. Counterclockwise decrease pressure. And control box here, inverter 6000, SSR, and brake and contactor relays on PCB as the brain of this machine. And transformer, oil tank, hydraulic 20 liters inside. Okay.